You still think about them. Maybe it's a smell that hits you out of nowhere, a song, a place you used to go together, or it's 3 in the morning and in 1 second, just 1 second, you forget they're gone. And then it comes back. And it's like losing them all over again. You've tried moving on, you stayed busy, you've told yourself 100 times that it's over. But something deeper than logic, something that doesn't care about pride or reason, keeps pulling you back. What if that pull isn't just emotion? What if that magnetic force you feel towards this person is something real? Something that exists in the spiritual dimension and can actually be worked with? Because throughout human history, across every culture, across every continent, and every tradition, people have known how to call someone back. Not by force, not by manipulation, but by working with the invisible forces that govern love, connection, and the bonds between souls. Today we're going to talk about exactly that, so stay with me. Welcome to Powerful Magic Temple. I'm Alex, and you found this video. And if you want to know something, this channel exists for one reason: to bring you real knowledge, the kind that has been protected, passed down, and practiced by spiritual workers across the world for 1,000 years, and that most people never get access to. Love, return, protection, prosperity, the invisible forces that shape your life, and how to actually work with them. This channel is new and it's growing fast. So, if this is your first time here, this is the moment to get in. Hit that subscribe button right now. Ring the notification bell so you never miss what we share. Hit the like button on this video. It helps more people find this knowledge. And drop a comment below. We want to know and hear from you. Tell me, who are you trying to bring back? Here's the first thing you need to understand. Love, real deep love, does not simply disappear when a relationship ends. Energy does not vanish. It transforms. It gets buried under pain, distance, pride, and time. But it does not stop existing. Every serious spiritual tradition in human history, and I mean every one of them across every continent, recognizes the same truth. When two people share a genuine connection, something is created between them that exists beyond the physical. Call it a soul bond. Call it an energetic cord. Call it what you want. The point is, it is real. And when a relationship ends, that bond doesn't break. It gets tangled, blocked, covered in the residue of everything that went wrong. But it's still there. And here is what most people don't realize. What the spiritual traditions that have studied this for centuries all agree on. The bond can be found, it can be cleared, and it can be activated again. The feelings your ex has for you, even if buried under anger, distance, or someone new, are not gone. They're dormant. And dormant energy in the right hands can be awakened. Now let me tell you something that most people have never been taught. Every great spiritual tradition on this planet, from the ancient practice of West Africa to the folk magic of Europe, from the sacred rituals of Americans to the philosophical systems of the Far East, they all develop specific knowledge around one of the most universal human experiences, the desire to reunite with someone you love. And across all these traditions, separated by oceans and centuries, they arrived at the same core understanding. First, that love operates on an energetic frequency. Just like radio waves, invisible but real, the connection between two people broadcasts across space, and that frequency can be tuned, amplified, and directed. Second, that spiritual entities, guides, ancestors, forces that exist in the dimension just beyond the physical can be called upon to assist in this work. These are not primitive beliefs. The greatest philosophers, mystics, and scholars in human histories, from Allan Kardec foundational work on spirit communication to the deep study of consciousness in Buddhist philosophy to the ancient grimoire of European ceremonial magic, all point to the same conclusion. The spirit world is real. It is active. And it responds to those who know how to work with it. Third, and this is the part that changes everything. Intention, focus through the right ritual framework, creates real effects in the physical world. This is not a metaphor. This is not wishful thinking. This is how spiritual work has functioned and produced results for thousands of years. Mace Gilberto has spent a lifetime studying all of this. Not one tradition, not one school, all of it. And he has built something rare, a methodology that draws from the full spectrum of human spiritual knowledge and applies it with precision to your specific situation. So what actually happens when this kind of work is done? Let me walk you through it, because this is not about lighting a candle and hoping. This is precision work, building layers. Layer 1, clearing the path. Before anything can be reconnected, whatever is blocking the connection has to go. That means clearing the energetic residue of the breakup. The resentment, the hurt, the distance, the new people who may have entered the picture. The spiritual interference that may be working against you. Think of it like removing static from signal. Before the message can get through, the noise has to be silenced. Layer 2, activation. Once the path is clear, the spiritual work of reconnecting begins. This is where the spiritual invocation enters. Powerful Magic Temple works with spiritual entities, guides, and forces from across multiple traditions, who govern love, desire, memory, and reunion. Through ritual, through offering, through direct spirit communication, these forces are called in to work the energetic bond between you and the person you want back, the result. And this is what practitioners across the world consistently report, is that the target begins to think about you. Not because you texted them, not because you ran into them, but because something in the invisible dimension has been sending motion. You know that feeling when someone you used to love suddenly shows up in your mind? Uninvited, persistent? This is not always random. Layer 3. Anchoring. The final layer reinforces the connection, so it holds and resists future interference. This is where the work becomes permanent, where the spiritual bond is sealed, where the reconnection once made stays made. Now, when this kind of work has been put in motion, there are specific signs that experienced practitioners across every tradition constantly report. Here's what to watch for. Sign 1. They reach out unexpectedly. Not because you contact them, not because there was a reason, not because they miss you. A text, a call, a message that says they were thinking about you when they shouldn't have been. Sign 2. You appear in each other's dreams. Dream contact is one of the first signs that the spiritual current has been activated. The subconscious bridge between two people lights up before anything happens in the physical world. You may dream of them vividly, and they may tell you, maybe reluctantly, that they dreamed of you too. Sign 3. Old memories hit them without warning. A song, a restaurant, a phrase someone uses, and suddenly you are all they think about. Unexpectedly, uncomfortably, persistently. This is not nostalgia, this is activation. Sign 4. Your name keeps coming up. They're thinking about you, mentioning you to mutual friends, trying to sound casual about it. But You are in their mind. And it's showing. Sign 5. Something shifts in how they are with you. If you have any contact with them, something is different. The wall is thinner. There is warmth that wasn't there before. An awakeness that feels less like indifference and more like someone trying very hard not to feel something they are already feeling. So let me tell you about Powerful Magic Temple, because this is not just a YouTube channel. This is a place where real spiritual knowledge meets real people with real situations. The practitioner behind this temple, Mace Gilberto, is someone who has dedicated his life to studying the full spectrum of human spiritual wisdom. Not one tradition, not one school of thought. He has studied spiritual communication through the foundational works of Allan Kardec and beyond. He works with the philosophy and energetic principles found in ancient grimoire, in wisdom, traditions from across Africa, the Americas, Europe, and Asia. He incorporates the science of the mind, mentalism, intention, energetic projection. He works with offerings, with invocation, with the spiritual entities that govern love and reunion across multiple traditions. He is the truest sense of the word of sorcerer, someone who has unified all of this knowledge into a single powerful methodology that is producing results for people in the United States, in Europe, and across the world. Every consultation is personal. Every ritual is built for your specific situation. And this channel, Powerful Magic Temple, is where that knowledge becomes accessible to everyone for free. Now, before you go, I need you to do 2 things. The first one is simple. Subscribe to this channel right now before you click away, before you go back to whatever you were doing. Because what we are building here at the Powerful Magic Temple is something that does not exist anywhere else on this platform. Real knowledge, real depth, real answers to the questions you have been carrying. Love, return, protection, prosperity, spiritual defense, the knowledge that actually changes outcomes. And this channel is just getting started, which means right now you have the chance to be part of this from the beginning. Hit subscribe, ring the notification bell, and share this video with one person in your life who needs to hear it. That's the first thing. The second thing, if you're dealing with a specific situation right now, is someone wants you back? If you have been waiting and hoping and not knowing what to do next, go to powerfulmagictemple.com. The link is in the subscription below. This is where Mace Gilberto and his team work with people one-on-one. Personal consultations, custom spiritual work, built for you, your exact situation. Wherever you are in the world, New York, Los Angeles, London, or Paris, in Sao Paulo or Dubai, wherever in the world the work reaches you. Visit powermagictemple.com. Take your time, read, explore, and when something speaks to you, trust that. You found this channel for a reason. I'm Alex, and I'll see you in the next video.